Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and with all of the leaks going around about the brand new Google Pixel 3, it was inevitable that the live wallpapers were eventually going to leak, much like they did with the Google Pixel 2, and today we're taking a first look. Now the way that you get these wallpapers couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is head over to the post on Android Police, which of course will be linked in the description down below. You then want to go to the downloads section just near the bottom of the article here, which then says files from Mega. Now you can open it in the browser or the Mega app, and the only thing you actually need is the APK. You do have these standalone files here, and as you can see you can go into them, swipe through and use them as standalone pictures, but we want to have that live effect. Now you will also need the Google Wallpapers application, which is a completely free app from the Play Store, but again, if you do have something like a Pixel 2 for example, this is going to come pre-installed already. Once you've got that, everything's downloaded, you're then set and ready to go. And as always, long press on your home screen to change your wallpapers, go into Wallpapers and scroll right down to the bottom for the new live wallpaper section, and as you can see here you've got all of the brand new live wallpapers direct from the Google Pixel 3 on pretty much any Android device. Now we'll have a full list of compatible devices which is on the Android Police article as well, and once these do get updated as well I will be sure to let you guys know. And the thing that I love about Google Live Wallpapers, as you can see here from the Tropical Voyage wallpaper, is they are extremely subtle. You've got just a standard background, but if you look very closely the boat itself is moving. Once you go back into the wallpapers you do have a bunch of other options as well, with some really awesome ones that you haven't seen before on a Pixel device, like these groove ones for example, which actually move along to the actual music itself when you're listening to it on your device, which is really awesome to see. It's kind of like a built-in equalizer that's also part of the actual wallpaper itself. Now some of the live wallpapers do also have an effect on the always on display if you have an AMOLED screen like on the Google Pixel for example. So the Pixie wallpapers, they do have a small character that appears on the always on display, and then when you go to actually unlock the device they completely turn off, but again the wallpaper itself still does move ever so slightly. Now you do also get some other functionality with some of the wallpapers as well, where touching them once they're on your display will actually move the wallpaper around ever so slightly, so things like the bloom and bubble up wallpapers will actually do this as well. So again it's just a really subtle movement, but again it looks extremely nice. Some of my favourites have to be the bird's eye view wallpaper. There's also a light the way wallpaper, which does also change depending on what time of the day it is as well, so the houses and the hills are going to go from day to night, which again looks really awesome, and you can also see the lights in the houses turn out as well once pretty much everyone's gone to bed, so a really subtle hint there. But overall these are some of the best wallpapers that I've seen from a Pixel device. There's maybe one or two that I'm not a huge fan of, like the black and white silhouette of New York and San Francisco. I would personally give those a miss, but what else you get here is really awesome to see. Now as always guys, everything that I've talked about will be linked in the description down below, and if you've got any questions or comments hit me up in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. For more great content like this moving forward, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.